It's definitely not a secret that Halloween is one of the biggest holidays when it comes to sales volume for print on demand. And the good news is that Halloween t-shirts are already seeing a drop in BSR and an increase in sales, even though we're still over 2 months away from the actual date. This is a great indicator for the fact that you should be starting to design your Halloween shirts right now. And in this video, I'm going to share 6 very easy t-shirt design ideas with you that always sell really well during Halloween. This is design idea number 1, and I'll call this one the pumpkin cross niche. So this design specifically, very basic. We've just got 3 triangles to form the eyes and the nose of a pumpkin, and then a dog at the bottom, which is meant to be the mouth. And obviously you could use tons and tons of different shapes right there at the bottom. Instead of a dog, you could use other animals, you could use fruit, I don't know, maybe there's vehicles that have that sort of long thin shape. You can really think outside the box and very easily cross niche pumpkins with lots and lots of different topics. Here we've got another example for the same sort of idea. This is the silhouette of a pumpkin that shows a bit of a like sunset in the background, and it has been cross niched with a chicken. Now this specific design is obviously a bit harder to create, but if you just find the simple silhouette of a pumpkin, maybe color it orange, and then place some different silhouettes in front of it, then you've saved yourself a lot of work and made a simple, easy, but very nice Halloween design. Design idea number 2 is I am a blank, or pretend I'm a blank. And for blank, you could literally put in anything. I mean, this person's put traffic cone, just a simple text design with some sort of car tire marks over it, which you wouldn't even have to put. And then they've been really smart and selected orange as the only color on the t-shirt that's available, and that way it actually looks like a traffic cone as well. So very, very simple, easy, funny design, and I'll show you some other examples as well. So here someone said, pretend I'm a pigeon. Once again, very basic text style, and it's on a grey t-shirt that looks a lot like a typical pigeon colour. And one last example for this t-shirt design idea would be this right here, I'm a banana. And I like how this person hasn't just gone ahead and copied the simple text style. They've actually put the banana into a shape and made it look quite unique. And once again, they've only selected yellow as the available t-shirt colours, which makes it obviously look more like a banana and also stand out in search results. Next up, the third design idea is the heartbeat style. This is one that always sells well across lots of different niches, and as we can see right here by the review count, this shirt has sold a lot in the past. Now this one is only specifically for Halloween, but once you've got one of those heartbeat lines ready and designed, you can easily cross niche it with tons of different topics. So here's a quick example for what I meant. This person has once again got an orange line with the witch, bats, and that sort of Halloweeny stuff, but also they've included some nurse specific elements or silhouettes, which makes this a nice cross niching of Halloween with nurses. Moving on, we've got this is my human costume, I'm really a blank. And this is one that has been doing well for years and years. Very simple concept, and you could obviously input lots of different animals. Now, a quick trademark check actually showed me that the word really is trademarked for t-shirts, which doesn't mean that you can't enter this niche, because you could just exchange the word really with actually. So then it would say, this is my human costume, I'm actually a shark, which has the exact same meaning, and I doubt it'd stop anyone from buying this t-shirt. So that's a way to get around this trademark very easily, and you don't just have to sell animals either, because this person right here, for example, has actually put I'm a rubber duck, which isn't an animal obviously. It's just a funny spin of this niche. And what you could do is, rather than thinking of animals, just think outside the box. Maybe we saw the traffic cone design earlier, maybe put traffic cone in there. Or think of different food items, like if you put I'm really a donut, that would make for a very funny t-shirt as well. So yeah, you just have to think outside the box and make a funny design that not as many people would have thought of. And t-shirt design idea number 5 would be this one right here, which is school psychologists love brains. Now this is a great way in which you can scale out different designs for the parents who are going to collect candy with their children, because you could literally put in any other job title in here at the top and the design would still work. So just create one template, and we sort of got a funny shirt for parents to wear along their kids. Here is another approach for the same sort of phrase. It says teachers love brains, and you've got the sort of moon silhouette and a hand coming out of the floor. So this definitely looks really nice. It is more detailed and harder to create, so maybe not the easiest t-shirt design style, but if you just create one template that looks a bit like Halloween, it doesn't have to be this detailed or high quality, then I'm sure you can pick up some sales by swapping out the word teachers with lots of other jobs. Next up, we've got food costumes. These are quite funny because they're literally just a graphic of an item of food on a t-shirt, and that's it. And I like how this person has also just selected white and yellow, which is a nice change and makes this design stand out. Now, this is obviously quite a detailed graphic, but it doesn't have to be that detailed, because if we look at this one, for example, this is in the pixel style, which looks really cool, and if we zoom in, would be very easy to recreate, lots of rectangles put together. If you are not a graphic designer, just go to a marketplace like Creative Fabrica, Vexels. They'll have lots of preset graphics of fruit, and then just blow them up really big. Make sure to select a specific shirt color that suits the fruit, and that way you can easily create some funny, nice Halloween costumes. And a quick bonus idea that sort of goes along with some of the designs we already talked about, it's the I am with the, and then once again input any different word. It could be animals or fruit, whatever you like, and have an arrow pointing to either side really. That way you've got a couples t-shirt where one person, like in this case, would be wearing a hedgehog costume, and the other person wears this one, which is then a really funny combination. Here's another example. Once again, loads of reviews, so this shirt has definitely done well in the past. And it says, I'm with the pickle, very basic text style and a pointing finger. So this is very easy to create, takes little to no time, and can easily make you some money if you sell it along other t-shirts that have fruit and animals on them. I hope I was able to give you some inspiration today, and I hope you have fun creating your Halloween designs. And if you're looking for some more niches to create designs for this autumn, then I'd highly recommend watching this video next, where I share 9 niches with you that sell during the months of September, October and November.